We're about to take off in the bus. We're going to go and see, let's see your tattoos. Woohoo, yeah, those are cool like mom's. Alright, let's go see. Put the plates on the bus. 1, 2. Where's your shoes at? Get your shoes so your feet don't get all dirty all over the bus. Please. Your flip-flops are right there. Go get them. Hurry. Hurry. Okay, come on. Get out. Come on. I'll clean them off when we get out. Come on. Crazy. Here's some garbage, too. Oh.
Give me my Kinder Egg.
I don't have your Kinder Egg. Huh? Your Kinder Egg is in my purse. I just already told you that.
All right.
Hey, go see if Tony's slippers are in the Jeep.
Look. Okay. We're making the big change from the old owner to the new owner. You ready?
Yay!
What?
Yep, we're waiting. Is that what you said?
You're waiting. Waiting for me so you can get your Canon gear.
We got some printed. She printed those off in the office there for you.
Well, I got the original at home. They already mailed it at home to me. So, I have no other choice.
I don't know. What do you think, Reagan? You think you just made them up?
Yep, it'll work.
Was the original person from Texas?
Yeah. Yep.
Look at Reagan's tattoos. Those look pretty cool on your hand there, buddy. Said Danny need to give her a job. She said, look, I put... Hang on, I'm doing something. I'm videotaping Tony getting the plates on.
Jeez.
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 Where is my Kinder
Thug life.
Stop it.
Why you all crabby? Why you all crabby?